I'm so happy to see you, I'm Shamapti, and it's so good to have you here. And today I have 5 body mists under 499. I thought of making this video because many of you have asked me for affordable options when it comes to body mists, and I think these are quite nice and yet these are quite affordable. So let's start. And I also have made this video a few days back on vanilla scented fragrances. You may find that to be helpful as well. First I have this one from So Unique. This is their white chocolate coconut flower body mist. This is truffle cream. This smells like this one from Sol de Janeiro 39. So happy because I love this one. It has this very delicious chocolate meets coconut scent. This smells the same, and this is awesome, you know. This is truly delicious. And about body mist, I need to share one thing with you. When I apply body mist, if I shake them like this and then I apply, it smells more like alcohol initially, which I don't like. So these days I'm avoiding shaking body mist like this, you know. I'm letting them sit for a while, then I just slowly pick them and apply it. This way they smell better to me. The brand says it lasts for 6 to 7 hours, something like that. On me, frankly, it lasts for 3 to 4 hours. That's fine for me for a body mist. And yeah, it has this very beautiful chocolate meets coconut scent. I also smell a bit of vanilla, and it actually smells like this. So if you love this one, I think it can be a very good dupe of this Sol de Janeiro fragrance. I have also tried their vanilla candy, and frankly I didn't like this much. It has this sweet vanilla scent, but that is too synthetic for my taste, this one. And yeah, the scent is milder than this one. I mean, I can barely smell it after 1 hour, to be very honest, but this one is good. The truffle cream, I totally recommend this one. Very good gourmand scent if you're into that. And then I have this one from Tag. This is their oud and tea. So if you're looking for a very good daytime fragrance, it can be a good pick for you. It has this very beautiful blend of oud and green tea, but I mostly smell green tea and bit of citrus and floral notes in there. Very beautiful fragrance for daytime. And this Tag, I mean the Ayurveda Go, they make really good body mist. I tried their Nargis one as well. Very beautiful floral body mist. And yeah, I think you can try any of this. You're not gonna be disappointed. If you're into floral scents, then go for this one. And if you're looking for a green tea, very refreshing summer daytime fragrance, then go for this one, this oud and green tea. And they don't smell like alcohol at all. Lasts for like 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours on my skin, which is great for body mist. Also I layered them with body butters, like scented body butters, body lotions. That way they last longer on my skin. Alright, next I have this one from Just Herbs. This is their vanilla spice. So if you don't want your vanilla smells to be too much cupcakey, too much sweet, then go for this one. It has this warm vanilla note. I love this. I also smell coconut in there. It also has white floral notes, and overall a good fragrance. And Just Herbs, they give like 50% off now and then, so wait for the sale. If you want to buy this, don't buy this for full price because this brand gives this sales now and then. At number 2 I have this one, my old favorite from Plum. This is their vanilla vibe. So again, if you're into cupcakey vanilla scent that is sweet and delicious, go for this one. This is good. They also have one UDP version of this. I prefer that over this one, but this is quite nice. They also have many things from this vanilla vibes range. They have body oil, body butter, shower gel. They have this yogurt, body yogurt, everything, and all of those things are awesome. I love this scrub as well from this line, vanilla vibes line. They have this sugary scrub that is so nourishing. So this is very good if you want to layer things. Like you can like layer this one with that, you know, body butter from this same range, vanilla vibes, and you're not going to be disappointed. Very good stuff. Also they have another fragrance, Tripping Mimosa, which can be a very good summertime day fragrance. Did you hear that? I know what is that. Anyway, so yeah, that was also quite nice. Alright, so lastly I have this one from Pure Sense. This is their Macadamia Soothing Body Mist. This is my second bottle. I love this one. It has this very deep floral scent, which is beautiful. You're gonna love this. Also I can smell a bit of citrus in there. and everything is coming together so well, like nothing out of the place. Very beautiful, and I would recommend this for night time. For daytime it might be a bit heavy, but for night time this body mist can be really good. Love this one. I also tried their vanilla mist from Pure Sense. That didn't work for me. That was too much synthetic for my taste. So yeah, there you have it, my list of affordable body mists. I hope you found this to be helpful, and let me know about your favorite body mist. And I have more videos on fragrances, and I have planned to like post it next month. And yeah, let me know what you want to watch. If you have any particular recommendations, I can like do that for you. No worries. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you here, and yeah, see you very soon then. Bye bye.